Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today's video is gonna be talking about what's going on after the merge of Ethereum. So that's gonna be a video today, and the disaster is happening right now, and everybody's floating around. And we're gonna talk about some coin, and we're gonna go to what to mine. And I'll see you over there after the intro. All right, sorry, was no intro. That was a joke. I'm not gonna do intro today, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump in over here. We're gonna go to what to mine, and I'm gonna try to make a video longer. The intro really take about 20 seconds to do it. So let's go over there real quick. And what we're gonna do from this point, change the mouse, and I'm taking control of the second PC. I'm gonna move this over there, and I'm gonna bring the other keyboard. Sorry. So alright, so now I can see I'm moving this. So minimize this for a second and Google Chrome. Awesome. And oh, my bad. Did this wrong. I'm gonna go to Google first. Sorry guys. I think I'm using a different browser. Oh, I'm using Chromium. Sorry, I was supposed to use the regular browser, but look like I got Chromium over here. Alright, so let's remove this from right here. And right now, we got, I've been using two of this one, this computer for test only, and a 3060 LHR, one of this one. And we're gonna calculate this. This is very sad what we wanna see over here, but it is what it is. Alright. You can see nothing right now is making any money. Now, what I can see is like this one came out last night a little bit profitable, and we got 26% jump. So around the way, went back to not profitable. That's how that work. People be jumping all over the place. Flush, really jumping out. If I'm mining with district card, I'm gonna get quarter flow every day. If I'm mining with the compound ones, I'm gonna get about probably about 10 coin a day, something like that. We got Ion over here. A lot of people don't talk about this, but these people they support a lot the community, especially the mining community. But I never see these guys on the YouTube channels talking about this specific coin. And Ion got very decent stuff. They doing about 3.6 Bitcoin a day. Now wanna look, a lot of what a lot of people wanna look into. They want something be able to do like 300, 500, 700, 1,000, 2,000 on Bitcoin daily. But venture that used to be Ethereum. Ethereum got a lot of stuff built in, but that's why the reason Ethereum was Ethereum. And far down over here, we got Ubiq. If you mind, Ubiq is a lot of people don't move in Ubiq. Being is holding good coin. I don't know why people don't mind that one, or I don't know what's going on with this community. But I don't even hear about a lot about this one. These two projects right here, they pretty good project, but I don't hear about a lot of them. I don't know the community mining talking about these two coins. So that's one of the things I've been looking into. The famous Ethereum Classic. Well, last night was like 2.1. It went back up. Like I said, you're not making money on this. You're losing money. I losing like right now. I have it on Hiram Pool mining, and honestly, I'm losing 47 cents a day just to mine. And that's only on the graphic card. If you add in the CPU, the motherboard, the other stuff is connected to the computer. this right here, it's not gonna be 40 cents. We're gonna be about 80 cents to $1 daily on loss. But like I'm doing it to support the high on pool, so I used to use it a lot. So right now, the mining, that's what we're doing. Now we got BT2B Cash. This been around for a long time. The only thing is the exchange that they have in it. They only be tradable and trading over. And let's see how many exchanges we got on this one. This is the exchange they doing it. This one right here. We can see right here. This telling me a lot of people don't buy or sell a lot. Like somebody sell over here, somebody buy them over here, somebody sell, somebody buy. It's like the same person all the time. Keep buying this one. So far, it's not even moving. It's a 0.00003. That's a price for that Bitcoin. So probably something to look into it, but I don't see the. Right, let's click on this on what to buy. This is gonna give you a lot of information over here. Revenue on this is talking about monthly. Also the mining is gonna cost us $10, and the production of this is gonna be $5.42. A lot of people talking about how many coins you get. But see, this is the thing. I want to a lot of people to understand why sometimes it's better to keep it's better to keeping it off and get that money and reinvesting it back because you're gonna keep paying out of your pocket. This is the reason you need to how I can say this. I know a lot of people be like, oh, it's hard for me to get the money and do the reinvestment and stuff like that. Well, I'm gonna point out something. If you're gonna waste 1 month on electricity on my test brain to mine this coin, and I'm gonna get only 13,000 coin, and then later on it's gonna jump. Now, let's get some calculation over here. So I want people to be clear with this. I stopped a long time to doing little bit mining and stuff. So this is how I see stuff. So right now, if I get 13, let's be realistic. Let's say we're gonna get that amount 589 a month. That's how many coins you're gonna get. That's another one. We're gonna divide these into, let me see if it's like that, into 10 cents. So no, I did this wrong. So it's 10 divided by 13 589. It's giving error. So we're gonna get in then we're gonna end the paying. You see, what is the price of this right now? So need to see the price, the Bcash, Bcash price. Okay, the exchange rate is this 2.002, but you're gonna pay that and then you're gonna get it for 1 penny less. Now, this is the thing. Okay, this is the total I got. Let's see first this way. By 10.8. So there we talk about 21 about 21 coin, 21,000 coin. To make it easy for you, I'm gonna do it the right way. So I got 10.085 by whatever. This is how many coins I can get with the $10. It's not gonna be really, hold on. Oh my God, this is Bitcoin exchange. That's not what I need. I need the US goes. So like they only in one, and they only in one exchange. So to making it clear, you're probably gonna get about 20. You can buy about 25,000 coin with that price. With the $10, you can buy around 25,000 coin to 24,000 coin. That's how much coin you'll be able to get if you buy directly. So why to wasting $10? Well, eventually it's not gonna be $10 mine. It's gonna be about $15. So that's one of the problem with this. So let's go back over here. This is why sometimes it's good to turn off your phone. Your phone needs sometimes to be good. It's good to turn it off. It's not bad because you have to see in it. Like if you know you're gonna spend those $10 daily, so just get out of the pocket and just go buy the coin. The coin you wanna buy, go buy them. You go buy them. Buy the Bitcoin, transfer it, and go buy your coin, the coin you need. You'll be COB less heavy at the end of the day. Because now, what you're doing, you're putting money out of your pocket to cover electricity. You're not supposed to cover it. If you're on the business on the long time run, the best way right now to do is buy more hardware and stuff like that and saving it for when you need it. That's another good investment. You can buy stuff right now and resell it later on, or you can buy stuff to mining in the future. You know what I mean? Like you can get there is right now, for example, I got the sitting super right now. You can get it like for 139, 150, 160. Year ago, you didn't pay 400, $500 for that, or 300 something, or 200 something dollars, you won't get it. So that's one of the things I wanted to tell you guys. Right now, if you're not making money, best thing to do, turn off the farm, keep looking at daily until you see your entire funds become a little bit profitable. At the point your funds become profitable, and then you say, okay, now I can put money out of my pocket to pay the electricity because I'm making more money. What is bleeding out, to be clear. So, all right, guys. So this was a 12-minute video, and I appreciate if you went all the way to the end of the video. If you like this video, please press the like button and the subscribe button and the bell button, so you'll be having more contents like this. And this was a little talking head about this situation right now, and I want to people to understand is it's not a bad thing to turn off your farm at the end of the day because, oh, I'm not solving the cost. You're losing money when you're doing that. So be aware about that. You need to turn off, you need to stay profitable. You're not profitable. You don't need to have the farm on. Be smart. Listen what you might tell you to do because sometimes it's the right thing to do. By being following everybody else, I was not making money, and that's one of the things. So, all right, stay safe. Good luck with mining. Happy mining, and also you enjoy this video, and I'll see you into the next one. Bye, guys.